Welcome to MB Tool Reviews. Today on the channel we have this for you, the nerrad tapex kit. Today's video will be an unboxing of the nerrad tapex kit, and we'll go through all the parts and all the different features of the tools. And then in a future video I will be doing a review on this kit, as I've got some upcoming jobs, which is why I purchased this. I'll also be doing a comparison with another tap set which I have already, which is a much cheaper kit. Okay, so let's open this up and take a look. Okay, so the case has these nice solid feeling plastic clips with metal hangers, and it also has a hole in the handle there to lock off the case with a padlock. Okay, so when you open the case up, we have here a diagram of all of the different parts and all of the part numbers in case you lose or damage one of the parts. Also, we have a piece of paper here again with another diagram with all of the part numbers listed, and also a diagram of where each item fits onto the next. Okay, so now onto the important part, the actual tools itself. So first of all, we have here 6 deep sockets, or as they refer to in the kit, extra long flank style sockets for monoblock taps, ranging from sizes 8 to 13 millimeters, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13 millimeters all included in the set. Then we have a 1 by 3/8 to 8 millimeter hex adapter socket. That's this one here. So it's an 8mm hex head, and it's a 3/8 adapter for the sockets. What that head does is it fits on to this socket handle, which is adjustable in 3 different lengths, and it has a positive stop, and it's 2-directional as with most socket sets, so you can extend it or shorten it depending on the situation you're in. That then fits on, and then you can use this hex adapter to fit on parts like this back nut wrench. Obviously this is probably not how you would use it. You would probably use one of the extension bars, as you'll be behind the sink. Next we have the plastic handle with again an 8mm hex bit. You can use this handle manually rather than using the ratchet adapter. You can just tighten or loosen the back nuts by hand. Next up we have the 3/8 inch to 1/4 inch adapter. This is a 100mm long adapter, and what this does is it takes the deep sockets and allows you to put them onto the socket wrench. Then next up we have the 3/8 inch universal joint. So that's an angled joint that allows you to have some flexibility, and it moves 2-directionally, both that way and that way, so you can get various different directions. And we have the same again in 1/4 inch, which is there. Same thing, 1/4 inch, same as the 3/8 inch universal joint. Then we have a sliding T-bar, which has a 3/8 inch drive. Then we have the 3/8 inch drive extension, and this again features a variety of different lengths, so you can pull this handle back and lock it into any of the various different positions, or you can push it all the way down and lock it into its smallest position. Lastly, we have 2 1/2 inch and 2 3/4 inch tap spanners for back nuts. So let's take a look here. You see they have the stepped heads to allow you to do both the back nut and also the brass nut on the compression fitting. These have the hex drive on them, so you can put them on the standard plastic handle, or you can use one of the adapters to put them on the wrench, and you can do the same with the monoblock spanners, and you can mix and match different items as shown in the diagram earlier. Then lastly, there is a spare section here for any future tools. So for all of this kit, it's going to cost you around £160 up to £185. This can be purchased on Amazon or various other retailers. Thank you for watching today's video. If this video was of some help to you, please give it a like, and please remember to leave a comment down below if you have any questions about this tool or any other tools, and please remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.